good. All right, so we're moving on. So now we're asked to write an equation of a line that passes through point P, which is 2, 3, and is perpendicular now to the given line, to this line. So first of all, this line is not in slope-intercept form yet. So we don't really know what the slope is. We can't really identify the slope and the y-intercept right away by looking at the equation. So we're gonna have to put that in slope-intercept form. We also have to think about perpendicular lines. What is it telling us by telling us the line is perpendicular to the other line? The last one was parallel, so we knew the slopes were the same. But what do we know about slopes of perpendicular lines? Negative reciprocal, right? So, I can see over here. We'll do that right over here in just a minute. Okay. So, let's go ahead. Before we start, let's put this equation in slope-intercept form. So everyone's writing this. We're going to have to distribute this -2. So -2 times x, and then -2 times 3. Let's do that first. Now that we've distributed our -2, we can see it a little clearer, but y is still not isolated. It's still not by itself. Currently, we are subtracting 4 from y. The opposite operation from subtracting is addition. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. So plus 4, plus 4. That's a terrible plus. It's fine. Okay, now our equation is in slope-intercept form. We can clearly see that -2 is the slope and -2 is the b, the y-intercept. How are we doing? Yep. Yeah, just right pass. Okay, where are we at? Are you gonna, do you want someone to walk with you? Or are you good? Can you go by yourself?
I don't know where it is.
Can you show her? Okay. All right, so where are we at? Okay, so now that we have the slope of this line, how do we find the slope for the perpendicular line? This is -2. That's like a -2 over 1, right? What's the negative reciprocal of that?
1 over 2.
Okay, so we're going to use 1/2 for our slope, and then we're going to use this for our x and our y. And then it's just like the last problem. All right, let's see if I have space. Yes, okay. So, what did I say was x and y? 2, 3. Okay, so y equals m, which we just decided is 1/2, x, which is what? What's x? 2. Plus b. Well, this is nice, because what's 1/2 times 2? That's the same as 1/2 times 2 over 1. That's just 1. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides to get b by itself. So I'm getting b as 2. Did you get b as 2? Anyone?
Yeah.
Bueller? Okay. So y equals 1/2 x plus 2. Done. You just have to make sure. Let me scroll here. Right there. Okay. This ordered pair is just 1 point on this line. So when you're asked to write your equation, you want the general form of the equation. You don't need that point, the 2, 3, in for x and y. You need the x and the y in your equation.
Teachers, at this time, all 11th graders
options.
should head on over to the to the auditorium
If that's you,
for
just go.
picture retake. Only 11th grade students should head on over to the auditorium for
I think I'm done with
routine
my video.
pictures. Thank you.
All right, thanks for coming out.